So someone asked, how did you end up in prison?
Hey, bruh, hey, a lot happened. Yeah, a lot happened.
Take us from the beginning.
And as much as ngizithole sing da eTanyana, ngasho ukuthi ezinye izinto zingama generational curse. You know, I can use that way because I am not the first one in my family to find himself in prison. Yabo. My uncles were in prison. Ngikhulela la mina. Mamela. Lapha yena uthamba ke bathola imfenesha skin top ne tight. Kwesa namasoja mamela. Kwesa namasoja. Kwesa amaphosta kwesa amasoja kugcwele umphakathi kanje abantu basekhenza mangaba abakhule nabo abangaziyo bangayifaka sa lento leyikhulumayo.
But ngifuna sifikela kule crime eyakusejele and igweba for how long?
Yiyo yona lento lengutshela ngayo lento amantombazana uthanda amantombazana sasithola sishare intombazana wrong sashare intombazana wrong you understand wena mfethu sasithola sishare intombazana ekungamelanga sishare angithi we always got away with murder angithi izinto esisijwayele and ungacabanga ukuthi mangithi siyashare saba forced. No, I've never forced any woman mina ukuthi ngilale naye yonke into engiyenzile
just